Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video we are going to be learning how to apply promo code on Shippo. You can easily apply promo code on Shippo using your Shippo website. So here's how you can do it. Launch open a web browser to get started. Go ahead and type in goshippo.com in the URL box and sign into your account first. Once you're inside the main home page after logging in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner from the main home page. Now select the billing option from the list. Once you get to the billings tab, go to the right hand corner and you will be able to see the promo code option. Type in the promo code that you have available and click on apply in order to apply the promo code on your Shippo account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.